Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you've been looking for cookware that's a great value, then you need to check out this 2-quart Utopia saucepan. So I purchased this to keep in our camper, and I didn't want anything that was going to break the bank. But not only is this a great value, you don't sacrifice on quality at all. I've used this for well over a year, and I'm not disappointed whatsoever. So it's nonstick, which is perfect because when we're camping, we try to conserve as much water as possible. So I wanted something that was going to be easy to clean. And this is really easy to clean, so I don't have to use a ton of water. It comes with a glass lid with a little vent hole built in, which is nice because then your food doesn't boil over. And the handle on the pan as well as on the top of the lid are plastic, so you're not burning your hand while it's on the stovetop to move it or lift the lid. I love that. So overall, you really can't beat the value. I would totally recommend it. And that's my point of view.